Welcome to SouthernCrossGO. Now it's time for a holiday, so we went to the airport, got on the plane, and before you knew it, we were in Thailand. It's in Don Muang Airport. That was the quickest time, what do you reckon? The quickest time I've ever checked through. It took about 2 minutes to go through immigration. So quick. And we've already got our bag straight away, which is really good. So we're going to head out, trying to get the SIM cards working that we bought. Okay, so there's always some sort of drama. We bought some SIM cards online and we put them in and tried everything, and both of them in both Yuli's phone and mine just doesn't work, so we're probably going to have to, so we need the internet to get a bolt to our hotel, so we might have to just go and buy a SIM card, I think. Okay, give you a quick little room tour. Not bad rooms, about $30 Australian a night. You got a microwave. You got a little hot plate. So you got a mini kitchen, which is good.
You have hot water.
And you've got a big cupboard. We've got 2 just normal double-sized beds and television. A little shower, and a toilet, and a balcony, which is good. A bit hard to see now, but we've got a little balcony out here, looking down on the street. So yeah, for the price, it's good. And we've stayed here before, you know, a few months ago when we were up here. So yeah, it's not too bad at all for the price. And we sort of just down a little laneway off the main road, Yaowarat Road in Chinatown. So if you come just off the main road, the prices drop dramatically, half easy. Sort of a bit of a delayed flight. It's been a long day, so we're hunting food. And in Chinatown, Monday, they just don't have all the street food, so we're going to this little restaurant or little whatever that we know about that's pretty good, a few hundred metres up the road. Okay, so there's still a fair few people around. There's still a bit of street food around, but tomorrow night will be way more hectic with way more stuff. So I think it's up at this next corner up here. Something asleep. Alright, these are the chestnuts. Sort of roast them in stone, turns them over round and round and round. Wow, it's still sort of busy. Alright, so this is our little street where we normally eat at. Just a little bit of food out on the street. Okay, we've got a little spot here on the street. You can see everyone sitting on the footpath along here. So we just order and he cooks it way down there and then brings it up to you.
Maybe this one. Stir fried shrimp with garlic and rice.
Alright, so we're just going to get like a hot plate thing, 1 shrimp and 1 chicken one. So it's a pretty quiet night tonight because Monday they don't have the street food. But it's still around like this, sitting on the street and whatever. But tomorrow night will be more hectic and we'll show you what goes on then. So it was a pretty miserable flight on the way in. Delayed flight and all that. Then we had to circle because they reckon there was bad weather, but it doesn't even look like it's been raining. It was good weather when we landed. And then the SIM cards we bought online didn't work, so we finally got the airport Wi-Fi going and ended up getting a bolt into Chinatown. That's where we are here. It's been a long day, hasn't it?
Yeah, tired.
You have to put on your Thai accent here.
Sawadika.
Everyone thinks Yuli's Thai and they just break out in full Thai language to her. She's starting to learn a bit. She's getting pretty good at it actually. So it was probably the quickest, definitely the quickest check through in immigration we've ever had. How long was it? 2 minutes. Both of us through in 2 minutes. Walked straight downstairs and the bags were already waiting there. So And there was just no one at the airport. It was very surprising, actually. So yeah, very good. But now we're here. It's definitely a lot hotter. What do you think? A lot hotter here?
Yeah.
It's probably about 5 degrees Celsius more hot than Bali at the moment here. So anyway, get used to that. We're used to it anyway, the heat. Okay, so we're not sure what we're going to do yet. What do you want to do tomorrow?
Riverboat.
Alright, so we might get on the riverboat. We'll go right to the end on the boat, start up Lee Kaysaan Road, and then just do all the stops. There's about 9 or 10 stops on the tourist boat, and check out the river and see what's going on down there, and all the different little temples and things you can stop and see, and tourist attractions. So might do that tomorrow, so yeah. Right, so we're going to check out these prawns. Wow, it's really hot. Oh, yeah, good. Prawns are good. In Asia, they always eat them with the shell on. Okay, so that was alright. What do you think? Prawns were good? Chicken was good? So anything's good when you're starving. Anyway, that's it. We're going to get a few snacks, head back to the room and have a quiet night, and then get up in the morning early, go and have breakfast and hit the riverboats. Yeah. So where to go? I'll just get 3. Yeah.
No.
Oh, give me 1 pork and 2. Yeah. What's this, chicken?
Yes, you get 2.
Alright.
And pork.
Yep. Try out these small sundays, they look really good.
Thank you.
Alright. Hey boss. Oh, Yili's found the bag shop. Yeah, thongs. Barter shop. So I'm just going to pull up a footpath. Sit on the street here while Yili's shopping in the little shop. And try out one of these sardos. No. Alright. Very good. Very hot. This one's a pork one. It's very nice actually. The greenhouse. See all the lads coming out there, staying off the head. Alright, so we're hunting like a juice and some ice cream. There's these little like tart things and it's got like coconut ice cream or something in it. So we're hunting down that. Alright, so here we go, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Yeah, it's mainly all, seems to be all like fruit up this street and juices and stuff. I've seen this guy eating that really good coconut ice cream. That's what I'm hunting. Alright, here's a bit of seafood. Check out the size of these prawns. Good size prawns, lobbies. Oh, here's the bugs, look.
It's okay, it didn't kill me. It made all my hair fall out. That's the worst that happened.
Crickets.
You want to keep your hair, so steer clear.
Sort of worms or something. What are these scorpions?
I mean, they've caught them in like you going for it? So,
yeah, look at the fried crickets.
Do or die. I'll never
even centipedes, look at this. Fried centipedes. Yeah, so it's actually good of a Monday. Like Monday they just don't have all the street food like they normally do. It's still here, so it's not so busy, not so hectic. Okay, so I'll leave the video here. I think it's not much of a video, but I thought I'd post it anyway. We're pretty tired and I'm not too enthusiastic on filming. So anyway, tomorrow there'll be a lot more videos up to come, and yeah, stay in tune. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Thailand and Malaysia videos coming up.